Last night over dinner we spoke about an idea, which was that at a senior level within our companies we need to be more collaborative as opposed to competitive. Can you tell us more about why you think that would be an important idea and the impact that it would have if it became true?
I think it's important that pharmaceutical companies attempt to collaborate more, and there is evidence of this already. The organisations in Brussels, the IFPMA, the FPR, these are international organisations where pharma companies come together. But actually they are less about collaborating to the good of patients, they're more about collaborating to improve the way that we conduct our affairs and the codes of practice, I think. I think it has to be driven top down. The change it's a culture change within pharma companies, and many companies are close to there. We have a bit of a way to go, as you saw from the panel today, but I think it's got to be a change that is driven top down.
You're in a senior position. Tell me what you need to see from fellow leaders in your companies that you feel is missing at the moment across the industry.
I think what we need to see is probably a greater recognition that the pharma company is not just there for profit, and that our aim is to actually be seen as part of the delivery of care to improve patient outcomes. And there are some very obvious ways that we could do that. But I do think it needs a paradigm shift in all of our thinking. It's not just about the people who interact directly with patients, but also the people that work for the pharma company to adopt this, what we call a patient-centric approach. But I would say it's more than just patient-centric. It's actually being aware of what is required to improve outcomes in a particular disease area or a mixture of disease areas, and partnering and engaging to ensure that we are seen to be helping that, as well as providing good quality medication.
Final question, if you could personally wave a magic wand and make one major change within our industry as we have it today, very open question, what would you select?
If I could wave a magic wand and institute one change, I think it is a fairly simple change actually, but difficult to achieve. I think we need to encourage a more integrated approach within companies that comes from the top, to ensure that we recognise the role that pharma companies should have in not only the healthcare system but within society. So we take on that mentality, and then that would be manifest in terms of the activities of the companies, in terms of how they partner with organisations, with medical societies, with different stakeholder groups. So they're geared as well to profit, which is why we're here, but also to working together to improve outcomes for patients ultimately, which is our aim.
Thank you very much, Keith.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.